Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. With me is Chris Rick Slicks with his G20 320i. He unlocked or coded Sport Plus mode. So now we are gonna do sound check. Okay, do sound check. That's it from inside the car. I'm gonna record it from outside too, but now let's see, or better to say, let's hear sound inside cabin while he's accelerating. Of course, this is private closed roads and speedometer is AI. This is legal disclaimer. Just to be clear, yeah, if somebody from the law enforcement is watching. Everything is private closed roads. We are law-abiding citizens. So that's Sport Plus from inside the cabin. Next, I'll step outside to record sound from outside the cabin while outside the cabin or outside the car while in park. Put in park and give it a throttle. Actually, it's not even bad. Okay, it's not bad. This is stock 320i with GPF filter or OPF. Give it a go. So this is acceleration. I can say that it actually sounds pretty good for stock G20 2020 320i. With stock exhaust. I can say it's a big difference now that he coded Sport Plus. Just in Plus or just in Sport mode it was shit. You have it on my YouTube channel. I don't know, like 6 months ago I recorded while standing still in Sport, and it was nothing like this. This Sport Plus is much better. Go, give it a go. Okay, once more. Now Flyby. Not bad, not bad.